Welcome to Best Choice. The best AC hose is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, especially during scorching summer days when your portable air conditioner works overtime to keep the heat at bay. This seemingly simple accessory plays a vital role in efficiently expelling hot air from your space, directly impacting your unit's performance and your home's overall cooling effectiveness, making its selection a surprisingly important decision for anyone relying on portable AC technology. Number 5. Whynter Arc 14S Portable Air Conditioner. Introducing the Whynter Arc 14S, recognized as Good Housekeeping's best overall portable air conditioner. It delivers powerful cooling for large rooms up to 500 square feet. Enjoy a cool environment without the noise. This unit operates at a quiet 51 dBA on low speed, making it perfect for bedrooms. It's also designed with the planet in mind, using CFC-free fluid. This portable air conditioner also functions as a powerful dehumidifier, capable of removing up to 71 pints of moisture per day. Its patented auto-drain function simplifies condensate management. Customize your comfort with 3 distinct modes: cool, dehumidify, and fan with 3 speed settings. Full thermostatic control allows you to set your ideal temperature between 61 degrees Fahrenheit and 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation is made easy with the included window kit. It features an extendable hose and adjustable window slider, ensuring a perfect fit for most windows. This unit comes with a washable pre-filter and an activated carbon filter to ensure clean air. A convenient storage bag is also included for when it's not in use. What we like. This unit is recognized for its superior performance and quiet operation, making it a top choice. If you need to cool a larger room up to 500 square feet and value a peaceful environment, this is the one for you. Its dual hose system ensures efficient cooling, perfect for those who want powerful results without the noise. What people say. The hose is well made and durable, perfect for extending the reach of my portable AC unit. Easy to install and adjust, it fits snugly onto my AC unit without any leaks. The insulation helps keep the air cool and prevents condensation, which is a huge plus. Number 4. IKSTAR Portable AC Window Seal Kit. Tired of portable ACs not fitting your windows? Our kit is specially designed for casement, crank-out, and skylight windows, offering a practical solution where others fail. It fits window perimeters up to 400 centimeters, ensuring a snug fit for your non-sliding windows. Whether you have a single or dual-hose portable air conditioner, this kit has you covered. The adjustable zipper opening makes it easy to position your exhaust hose at any height. Enjoy a cleaner setup compared to rigid panels with fixed hose ports. Stop letting hot air ruin your cool. By sealing the gaps around your exhaust hose, it effectively reduces warm air backflow. This means more efficient cooling and a consistently comfortable room, even on the hottest days. Forget about complicated installations. This kit requires no drilling or special tools, making it perfect for apartments and seasonal use. Simply apply the tape, attach the seal, insert your hose, and tighten for a secure fit. To ensure the best performance, please measure your window before ordering. This 400 cm seal is ideal for clean, smooth frames and seasonal use. It's a more adjustable and convenient alternative to DIY solutions. What we like. This kit offers a versatile solution for non-standard windows like casement or skylights. If you're renting or need a temporary setup without drilling, this is an excellent option. It's designed to work with both single and dual hose units, providing a clean seal to improve your portable AC's efficiency. What people say. The hose is very well made and durable. It effectively keeps the cool air in and the hot air out. The installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes. Number 3. Portable Air Conditioner Hose Cover Wrap. This cover is designed to fit all major brands of portable air conditioner exhaust hoses, whether they are 5 or 5.9 inches in diameter. Its generous 58-inch length ensures a snug fit for most setups. Setting up this hose cover is a breeze. Thanks to its convenient touch fastener design, you can install it quickly and easily without needing any extra tools. Experience faster cooling and improved efficiency with this essential accessory. It helps your air conditioner work smarter, reducing energy costs and keeping your home comfortably cool. The added insulation layer minimizes heat transfer from the exhaust pipe. This means less heat is generated, contributing to a more comfortable environment inside your home. Maintenance is simple. This cover is washable and can be easily disassembled for cleaning. Just wash it with water and let it air dry, or fold it away for convenient storage when not in use. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or are not completely happy with your purchase, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This cover is designed for simplicity and effectiveness, fitting most standard portable AC hoses. If you're looking for a straightforward way to boost your AC's cooling performance and reduce energy costs, this is a great choice. Its easy-to-use design and washable material make it a practical addition for anyone wanting to optimize their portable air conditioner. What people say. The hose is very well made and durable. It fits perfectly with my portable air conditioner. The insulation keeps the air cool and prevents condensation. Number 2. DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S. Experience powerful cooling that reaches up to 14 feet away. This unit provides instant chills, even on the hottest summer days, and allows you to set your preferred temperature between 61 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy 3 modes: cool, fan, and dry. It also offers 3 distinct functions within each mode, making it adaptable for any situation. Stay comfortable and dry with its powerful dehumidification capabilities. Our patented noise isolation system significantly reduces noise from the compressor and turbulence. It operates at just 45 dB, making it perfect for sleeping or working without distractions. This self-evaporating unit automatically removes excess water in most environments, eliminating the need for drainage. A drain hose is only required in very humid conditions above 90%. Control your comfort with voice commands via Siri, Alexa, or Google Home. You can also monitor temperature and humidity, and customize settings through the dedicated app. What we like. This unit offers advanced smart features and a truly drainage-free experience in most conditions. If you desire the convenience of voice control, app management, and a quiet operation ideal for bedrooms, this is the smart choice. Its innovative self-evaporating system means less hassle with water drainage, perfect for modern, connected homes. What people say. The hose is very durable and has held up well against wear and tear. It effectively insulates the air conditioner, keeping the cool air inside and the hot air outside. The hose is easy to install and fits most standard air conditioner units without any issues. Number 1. DeLonghi Universal Hose Cover DLSA003. Tired of your portable air conditioner's hose radiating heat? This accessory is designed to keep the heat out and improve your unit's cooling performance. It works by significantly decreasing the temperature of the hose. This leads to a more efficient and effective cooling experience for your space. Designed with a universal fit, it's suitable for most portable air conditioner hoses. It can accommodate hoses up to 6 inches in diameter and 60 inches in length. Installation is incredibly straightforward. You'll have it set up in no time, ready to enjoy a cooler room. This hose cover is also washable, making it easy to maintain. Enjoy its benefits for seasons to come. What we like. This hose cover provides a simple yet effective way to manage your portable air conditioner's exhaust hose. If you have a standard portable AC hose and want to easily improve its cooling efficiency by keeping heat out, this is a practical solution. Its universal design and ease of installation make it a convenient accessory for many users. What people say. The hose is well made and durable, perfect for my needs. Easy to install and use, it effectively keeps the cool air in. The insulation is thick and prevents condensation, which is a huge plus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.